Hi, Dr. J from Cornerstone Health. Remember in our last episode where we talked about the Brugger exercise and how it's great to do throughout the day to break up your routine of sitting and the slog of just like slouching. The Bruggers gets you rotated back. It's great if you could do that lots of times throughout the day to just get you rotated back, reduce the fatigue of that postural tension from just the slouching. Next step up from that you wouldn't want to do quite so often because it's more powerful is another isometric exercise which we call wall angels. Start wall angels, you want to stand up, heels about 6 inches from the wall, lean your butt against the wall, elbows against the wall, wrists against the wall. I'm gonna bring my heels a little bit closer. And from here, there are several parts to it. It's a little complicated, but trust me, this one's worth it. You want to bring your arms down as low as you can get them without the wrists losing contact with the wall. My left wrist is starting to come away from the wall a little bit, so I'm just gonna keep pushing that wrist against the wall as my right one comes down a bit lower and then up. But the second piece is as I'm doing that, I'm going to tip my pelvis up in front, down and back. It's a little twerk. Pull it up in front and down and back. If I had a monkey tail, I'll be pulling it between my legs and up toward my face like that. So at the same time I pull my arms down, I'm gonna do a reverse pelvic tilt and then come up. It's all synchronized with the breath. On the inhale, most exercises are on the exhale. This one's on the inhale because when you take a deep breath in, the shoulders should roll back and down. And that's something we want to encourage. So on the inhale, shoulders down, wrists down as far as I can get them without the wrist losing contact with the wall. And I'm pressing my low back into the wall as I tip my pelvis down and back up in front. And on the exhale, I'll come up like so. One more piece in case that's not hard enough for you. Arms up in position again. As you do the movements, you want to give yourself a double chin, not looking up or down, just straight back into the wall as you bring your arms down and do that pelvic tilt. And boy, do I feel a workout just doing this. And I'm pull until I'm ready to exhale, come up like so. And I feel that everywhere in my shoulders, low back, arms. It just really uses muscles that don't get a chance to really work fully as you're seated. They're just striving to hold you upright. This gets things circulated. You're going to feel much better, and it'll help wake you up throughout your day. That's Dr. J from Cornerstone Health with today's tip.